Woohoo!
La 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 la.
You going on the deck, Vince? Hmm? Show everybody how you swim.
Smile at Uncle Mark, at Grandpa. Come on, let's go. We're swimming.
Let me see you swim.
Okay, here we go.
Let him go. I want to see him swim.
Swing around the Mersey, a pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all pull up. You know what other song? You know that song? What's that song? Five potatoes.
I know that one.
You know that one? Okay, let's go. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, 4.
I know that one.
9 potato, 10 potato. I don't know the rest.
Matt, do you know the rest, Vince?
No.
What's that other song Isabella singing? What the hell is the name of that song? Bella and Joe were singing.
Hey, you know what he likes? He likes this boat. He sits in it.
Do you like that?
Watch, he can sit on that.
Okay, he can put his feet in
Yeah, no, he sits right up on the top and just lays back. Show her how you do it, Vince.
Here, I'm going to hold it. Here,
He knows how to do it.
There you go. All right.
What? Hey, cut that shit out, boy. What kind of shit is that?
He's some good grandson, huh? You gonna squirt me up?
Ah.
Don't you come by me. No. Hey, help!
Hey, it's the Green Hornet. He's gonna shoot us. Watch you don't fall off that boat.
This thing is so loose down in the bottom here, you know?
Mm-hmm.
What the heck?
Yeah, but even so, I double sealed it, so underneath that there's another seal.
Me too, my foot goes.
Yeah, my hands too, but it is double sealed.
Isn't this nice? Oh my God, it's so warm.
Nice.
Here, I'm gonna make you a boat offer. Here. We're selling this beautiful boat. There's a boy, there's a gun, there's everything in the float. How much am I bid for this boat? Nothing. Nothing. No, you're gonna run out of water pretty soon. And then you're gonna be shit because I'm gonna go get you.
I'm gonna jump in and get him in a minute. Want me to jump in and get you?
Yeah.
Hmm? You want me to go get you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Just don't spray my
Can't spray Pop-Pop's camera.
Yeah, it'll break. Here I come.
Here he comes.
I'm gonna get you now. Let me see if I got you in zoom. Oh yeah.
Here you go.
Now I'm gonna get you. Haha, what are you gonna do now, huh? Oh, you want to do that, do you? I'm gonna shoot you. Now I'm gonna shoot you. That's it.
Whoa, Mark, you can't kick off that side, you crazy ass.
Ha. Wait a minute, let me fix the camera.
Wait,
I got everything wet.
Here, want to go into the water? Help us! We're floating in the ocean. Sharks are coming
Wet?
in.
No, it works like a champ.
We're running out of ammunition. Throw our gun. Help! Help!
Let me rinse that camera.
Whoa.